The Right Honorable Martin Chika Mewule, DSSRS, Speaker, Rivers State Assembly, Moscow, Port Mr. Speaker. Defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. I write to bring to your attention my decision to leave the People's Democratic Party, PDP.
These lawmakers signed an affidavit to affirm their defection, but they are trying now to twist the arm of the law to deny all of this, a shameful and despicable act, and the people of Rivers State will not allow it. Let our courts be vigilant and avoid the plots to use them to cover these constitutional violations in a bid to get legal backing to ignite bloody crisis in Rivers State. The world is watching. This message is from the Joint Action for Democracy.
This person tweeted and said, this is how Martin Amewule defected to APC with his toys. That is those that are following him. So guys, there is awareness that is being raised now on all eyes on the judiciary ahead of the decision, the court ruling on pro-Wike lawmakers. I mean, this awareness is spreading like wildfire. The Nigerians should open their eyes. I'm going to be playing this video just for you to take a look at this video because all eyes are on the judiciary at the moment. Take a look at this.
The Right Honorable Martin Chika Mewule, DSSRS, Speaker, Rivers State Assembly, Moscow, Port Mr. Speaker. Defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. Defection to the All Progressive Congress, APC. I write to bring to your attention my decision to leave the People's Democratic Party, PDP.
These lawmakers signed an affidavit to affirm their defection, but they are trying now to twist the arm of the law to deny all of this, a shameful and despicable act, and the people of Rivers State will not allow it. Let our courts be vigilant and avoid the plots to use them to cover these constitutional violations in a bid to get legal backing to ignite bloody crisis in Rivers State. The world is watching. This message is from the Joint Action for Democracy.
They've made a U-turn saying they never decamped to the APC. We all remembered when they openly came out, even before cameras, reading out their letter of resignation from the PDP and told the entire world that they are decamping to the APC. Today, they've made a U-turn saying there wasn't a time they ever decamped to the APC. Nigerians, take a look at these blatant lies. Take a look.
A lot has been said about the issue of defection. 27 of us in the State House of Assembly never defected to any other party. We were elected under the platform of the People's Democratic Party and we never defected. We never took any step to defect to any other party.
Some days ago, we defected inside the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with Section 109 of the 1999 Constitution as altered. The Constitution has given room for people to defect.
Everything you have seen is being sponsored by Simla Efobara, the governor of Rivers State, to remove us from office. No such thing as defection. And in any case, we have a right to defect, but we never defected. Anything you have seen is just the arrangement from the governor, being sponsored by the governor.
And in case you've not seen the video where the pro-Wike lawmakers openly read out the letter of their defection, take a look at that moment.
Where a lot has happened in the last 8 hours. Top on the list is the defection of 27 out of the 32 members of the House of Assembly from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. The lawmakers formalized the defection during plenary at the House of Assembly complex in Port Harcourt. So technically, the remaining 4 members of the State Assembly who were until this morning part of the majority are now in the minority. TVCD senior correspondent Uche Okoro has been monitoring the political situation in Rivers State.
For reconciliation between the governor of Rivers State, Siminala Efubara, and the minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike, may have been dashed with the defection of these lawmakers. Their decision to leave the PDP indicates that lawmakers may still be on course with plots to impeach the governor. Via letters written individually by the lawmakers, they officially declared for the APC during plenary at the House of Assembly complex in Port Harcourt. They cited leadership tussle in the PDP as one of the reasons for their defection.
I write to bring to your attention my decision to leave the People's Democratic Party, PDP. This decision to leave the PDP is necessitated by the division in the People's Democratic Party, of which I was elected to this house. In particular, the tussle around who the National Secretary of the PDP is has now sharply divided the party and made it unclear as to who is the National Secretary of the party, thereby making it difficult for me to chart an appropriate communication channel.
During the plenary, the lawmakers accused the governor of shielding the suspects in the burning of the assembly complex and withholding of funds for the running of the legislature.
You cannot be a chief security officer of a state and the Halo Chamber of the River State House of Assembly, where you as a sitting governor will present all the requests that you need to function, is attacked. For how many months? For how many days? And you are still seated comfortably.
The governor who is supposed to be the one to uphold the law is the one who is not disobeying the law. Withholding funds meant for an arm of government while he's living lavishly and conducting his own affairs lavishly with state funds. This is sad. I think this is the first time that funds meant for the legislature will be withheld.
The lawmakers threatened to decline future requests by the governor for approval of funds pending his compliance with their resolutions.
Okay, hold on.
Also, one of these lawmakers have openly come out to tell the entire world that that video of their defection was doctored. They are blaming the governor of that defection video that we all saw it happening live. Nigerians, take a look.
Honorable Opoende, you are one of the 26 that defected.
Yes.
Great. So right now, of course, Chief Judge in Rivers State has said that it's illegal. It shouldn't be recognized. What's your reaction?
In my own view, there is no Attorney General of the state because Oko Jumbo does not have the capacity, does not have the legal prerequisite to even screen an Attorney General. So I can boldly say that there is no Attorney General of Rivers State. So the purported Attorney General who speaks on behalf of Rivers State government and saying that assembly members defected. When did we defect? Did we submit letter to him? There was no defection whatsoever.
Sorry, are you saying that you did not defect?
Yes, we did not defect. We did not defect.
So what party do you belong to right now?
I am a full-time PDP member, and I partake in all the PDP conventions that happen from the ward level to the state level. I partook in it.
So what
can tell me that?
What happened on December 11th exactly?
Yes, December 11th. Whatever thing you see on the media was orchestrated by the opposition. You know, the media can coin anything they like. They can do whatever thing. They can come up with unnecessary blackmail. It was actually a drama that you're seeing there. They're showing everywhere. Somebody can Photoshop your face and show it anywhere.
So are you saying are you saying your face, for instance, was Photoshopped and you did not defect?
So long as there is a court judgment backing the defection, that there is no defection. I did not defect.
You didn't defect.
If defection is different from somebody showing himself, if I have to defect, I will go through the prescribed procedures. And the prescribed procedure is for me to go to my ward, then register in my unit as a member of APC. That qualified me as a defected member. Now again, the APC, purported APC chairman, Emeka Beke, even when those dramas were going on, openly said that defection it's not by coming to this television to say I have defected to so place. It is by effecting the prerequisite the laid down procedures. And the laid down procedures were for you to go to your unit in your ward, register properly as a member of a specific political party, which will now qualify you as a member of that party.
But the leader then, Tony Okocha, said he had accepted your defection. So who was he referring to?
Who?
The leader then of the APC in the state, Tony Okocha. So who are those he was referring to if you say you did not defect?
So if the American president say, I have accepted Lolo Opuende as an American citizen without having a certification, a documentation, and the police get me arrested, how do I identify myself as an American citizen?
So you are saying you never defected at all?
Mere carrying an American flag does not qualify me as an American citizen. That's another thing. So me, or you see somebody on the media or in the television.
I'm trying to. Nigerians are watching and they are trying to really understand the scenario right now. So that flag that was carried, on December 11th, and we saw all of that. Are you saying all of that never happened, even though it was in the full glare of many witnesses? People saw it.
We waved flag actually in solidarity and in support of the present president.
As an opposition, as a member of the PDP.
The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We waved the flag in support of it.
As a card-carrying PDP member, you waved the flag in support of your opposition.
In support of Mr. President, that he is an APC member and APC is doing well. Let them continue to rule Nigeria in the proper way.
Also, Mr. Ugochinyere has an explanation to the recent court's ruling on the position of these defected lawmakers. Take a look at what Mr. Ugochinyere got to say.
The judgment of the appeal court today is on the issue of the budgeting and the issue of whether National Assembly should take over the functions of the SAC pro-Wike lawmakers. And you need to understand that the judgment, no appeal court decision has affirmed or ruled or decided on the illegality of the decampment of the 27 SAC pro-Wike lawmakers. That issue is very clear. It has not been decided. So, and more importantly, it's very good you understand the deceitful nature of this group of people. There was a discussion where the president said all legal matters should be withdrawn so that peace can reign. To show that the Wike group have never wanted peace. All they like is this crisis and commotion because, you feel Fubara is outperforming you, so find a way to destabilize the government and create anarchy. But it will not work. So the governor, being a peace-loving man, listened to the president and withdrew his counter affidavit in that matter. But secretly, the pro-Wike group continued that case against the intervention of the president, just to obtain a judgment at the back of the governor. And that is the judgment the appeal court affirmed. But the issue of their decampment, the illegality of their decampment, upon which the seat of that former speaker, Amewula, was declared vacant, is still pending at the appeal court has not been decided. Amewula is not a serving lawmaker. For him to talk about being speaker, his seat has been declared vacant, and that subject matter is still in court and have not been decided. So this judgment does not change anything. Right Honorable Okejumbo remains the speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. It will be appealed, but it's important to understand the deceitful and criminal mindset of these people. You go into a peace accord, you go secretly at the back, you continue the matter, even when other parties have withdrawn. So it's important the people know that Fubara has never been the aggressor. It is always the Wike group that they don't want peace, they don't want local government election, they don't want chairman to be sworn in, they don't want budget to be passed, they just want commotion and anarchy. So, and that commotion and anarchy, they will not succeed in it. So the matter is still in the appeal court. What appeal court ruled today is whether the National Assembly should cannot take over the function of the Rivers State House of Assembly on the presentation of the budget and so on and so forth. But the main subject matter, which is the illegality of the decampment of the SAC 27 lawmakers, is still in court, and we are hopeful that court will do the right thing to help save our democracy. Nothing has changed on this matter. Right Honorable Okejumbo remains the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and the 27 SAC lawmakers remain SAC, going by that declaration, which has not been voided by any court.
So, guys, you have seen it for yourself that finally Wike and his pro lawmakers are looking for a way out. But guess what? They are stuck at the moment. They can't come out from, the cage where they entered. They told the whole world, they came out, they signed affidavit, they did all manner of things. They declared their seats were declared vacant. INEC was about conducting election, and we all know Nigeria with the corruption all round, These people, their seats have been declared vacant. But guess what? With Wike in Abuja, meeting all the judges and releasing all kinds of judgments, now the court has come out to say, oh, their seats was not vacant. That is what they told us. But guess what? Ugo Chinyere has come out to tell us that the court did not even rule on the matter of whether their seat is vacant or not. Nigerians, a lot is going on. A lot is going on. So, guys, honestly, this people's seat is still, vacant, and they are coming out to make statements that the court has reinstated them. There is no going back. Don't forget, there are affidavits they swore. We saw them read out the letter of their decamp. There are videos. There are all manner of evidence. Even the APC welcomed them, accepted them. Oh my God. There are also videos where the PDP came out to declare that their seats are now vacant, and INEC was asked to come and conduct election. INEC even came out to speak about the election, and later INEC went silent because of politics. Nigerians, this one is where when we will know whether our judiciary is still working or not. This is the time for Nigerians to know if we still have a judiciary. We say they are corrupt. Yes, they are corrupt, but we want to know if they are, even if the judiciary is still existing. That is the point at which we are. Let's see how Wike, with all his might and all his money, will be able to turn black to white in the eyes, in our korokoro eyes. Let's see how that is going to play out. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Thank you. So, guys, this person tweeted and said, this is how Martin Amewule defected to APC with his toys. That is, with those that are following him. And if you look down, he said, the Nigerian judiciary is on serious check about the Rivers imbroglio. So, guys, we all know that everybody is awaiting, the final ruling of the Supreme Court on this case of the defection of the pro-Wike lawmakers. And guess what? Awareness is being raised at the moment that Nigerians should pay close attention to the ruling that is going to come out from the judiciary, from the Supreme Court. Don't forget that Wike boasted and said they've hired the best of lawyers. So we want to see how these people who signed affidavits, who came out to wave flags, who came out to read out, the letter of their resignation or their defection, the letter of their defection from the PDP to the APC. These people who did all these things together with an affidavit that they all swore, together with the affidavit that they all swore to, how the Supreme Court is going to alter this, how the Supreme Court is going to rule on this case is what Nigerians are waiting for. So, guys, I want you to just take a look at this video. Take a look. So, guys, you have seen it for yourself. Honestly, this is one of the things that we keep saying, that, before, as a leader, before you take any step, you have to think twice. These men were just foolishly following Wike, and all of a sudden, they came out to say that there wasn't any time that they ever defected to the APC. Honestly, we all saw even the video of when the APC received them into the party. We heard them, we saw them on the telly when they read out their letter of defection, and they told the entire world that they've defected, that they want to follow Tinubu's mandate, and that on that mandate they will stand. And all of a sudden, they are making a very serious U-turn, saying that there wasn't a time, and there wasn't in any time, that they ever defected to the APC. So, guys, this has caused so much uproar, because Nigerians are like, is it what just happened in our korokoro eyes? People will just be lying like this. So, guys, I don't know what you make of all this. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.